Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream in large quantities. We will start by exploring the foundational ingredients that create a delicious, creamy base. Then, we'll delve into the specialized equipment necessary for efficient, high-volume production. Finally, we'll cover the best techniques for mixing, freezing, and properly storing your large batches of homemade ice cream, ensuring perfect results every time. Crafting a superb ice cream begins with premium ingredients. Opt for full-fat dairy, such as whole milk and heavy cream, to achieve that desired richness. Carefully combine your sugar, egg yolks, and chosen flavorings to build a perfectly balanced base. Gently heat this mixture to precisely 82 degrees Celsius, ensuring proper pasteurization and a lovely, thick consistency. Remember to chill your base for a minimum of 4 hours before moving to the next step. For large quantities, a commercial-grade ice cream machine is indispensable for efficient churning. Before you begin, always ensure your machine's freezer bowl is thoroughly pre-chilled to its optimal temperature. Carefully pour your perfectly cold ice cream base into the machine. Allow it to churn for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until it achieves a delightful soft-serve consistency. This step is crucial for incorporating air and creating a smooth texture. Once churned, immediately transfer your soft ice cream into clean, airtight containers. For the best results, place these containers into a blast freezer or a very cold deep freezer. This rapid freezing helps prevent large ice crystal formation. Allow the ice cream to harden for at least 4 to 6 hours to achieve that perfect, scoopable firmness. For long-term storage, maintain a consistent temperature of -18 degrees Celsius to preserve its quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.